Hi everyone. Well, I have not done a grocery haul in the longest time, but I have so many of you always asking for them, so that I'd do one. We actually went to two different grocery stores, Publix and Kroger, and picking up a few things for New Year's Day. So a lot of the same things you've seen before, but I'll just start right to it for those of you that have never seen one. So I got two things of turkey because I am going to make chili, and I will link that recipe below. You don't have to use turkey, we just always have. A couple of Amy's burritos, I like having those on hand for when I don't know what I want for lunch. This is the pepperoni that we get. I really like this kind because, you know, the no antibiotics, the grass-fed, and it doesn't have nitrates or anything. Pretty much same with this turkey bacon. This is the guacamole we've been using. I needed some new baking essentials, so baking soda, baking powder. We needed olives, so I have sliced Kalamata, whole Kalamata, and then these green olives. I needed some shaving cream. I do use the Billy Razor, but I don't like that shave cream, so this is still my favorite. I'll come around to the other side in a minute. I got a couple of things of the almond butter kind granola, and then this is for the chili. So I got chili beans, tomatoes, kidney beans. I need a thing of flour, tortilla chips. These are the ones that we always get, and then of course you can't have chili, or we can't, without Fritos, so I have that. I needed some chocolate chips. I just like having these on hand for cookies, and this is actually the chocolate chip cookie recipe I use on the back of the Ghirardelli package. Needed some pecans for making some other cookies possibly, and these are chopped walnuts. I like putting those in salads. And then these crackers are the ones that we use quite often. Some frozen avocado. I like to have this on hand because I put it in my smoothie bowls. Sometimes I'll just have regular avocado, but you know, if they're not ripe or you don't want to mess with it, this is just something I like to have on hand. Some frozen veggies that we like to have on hand if I'm not buying fresh, which is steamed broccoli and green beans. We have that a lot. Dragon fruit, I always like to have several of those on hand for smoothie bowls. I needed some eggs and some butter and grated Parmesan. And then we are having homemade pizzas tonight. I have a hard time finding those long square ones that I had shown before with pizzas, so we've just been getting the regular size naans, and we use those for pizza. They make really good pizza. You can do pretty much all kind of recipes on them. I needed some frozen brown rice and some crunchy fish. Again, this is one of those staples we always have when we just don't know what we want to eat or don't want a lot. You know, it's not the best thing in the world. We usually try to eat like fresh salmon and mahi, things like that. But again, this is just for a backup. And the mozzarella for the pizza. This cheese is really good, like on crackers, it's good. I usually put like a fig jam with it as well that is good. We had that on Christmas Eve as well. Some baby arugula, and then this is a pork tenderloin. I'll put like a marinade over it. We're gonna have that New Year's Day. And then also I like this salad kit too. I like to mix my arugula with this. Oh, and while I'm thinking about it, we just bought these recently from Costco, and they fold down. You can see the one in the back how flat it is. They're awesome to keep like groceries from falling around in the back. They'd be great for like kids sport equipment or something. So anyway, they come in a 2-pack, so if you have a Costco, these are great. So Publix had a deal on the creamer that I use. So this is the almond milk creamer I use, the vanilla, so about 3 of those. This is the wine I like. I usually like a French wine or like Pinot Noir, something light. I've never tried this one. I'm gonna try that. And then I got a Chianti. I have some pepper for the chili, some onion. I just went ahead and got it diced up. Sometimes that's easier. Oh, black-eyed peas for New Year's Day, cabbage for New Year's Day. We like cabbage instead of greens. I think I've shown you our New Year's Day menu before. And then some oranges. So that is it for the grocery haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.